Tell us about Tera Main Intezar.
We channeled our inner Arman Malik and Amal Malik again and reignited that. And I feel like that's the result. It's come with, we've worked very hard on this song. I don't care only what other people say. I love working with my brother. I love the music that we have done. We have more than 50-60 songs together and most of them are, you know, chart busters and hits. So I feel like if I can lean on my brother to make the best song for me, why not? Most of my fans have, you know, given such a warm embrace to Ashna and have made her a part of their lives. They've coined a hashtag for both of us called Ashman. And there are Ashmanians now. So I don't know what's happening now. I think this overall there's a lot of love for both of us.
When it comes to independent music, what is the brief that goes through your mind?
No brief. I genuinely just told Amal ki, you know, I want to go back to a time where we never thought about anything. तेरी हर सांस को बता दे हक इन पे बस मेरा कर ये बात सुन रहा है वो खुदा तेरा मैं इंतजार कर रहा. Hi everyone, this is Arman Malik and you're watching me on Bollywood Hungama.
लाइफ में बैलेंस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. खाने में नमक का बैलेंस, जिम और डाइट का बैलेंस एंड म्यूजिशियंस के लिए फिल्म and independent music ka balance. Today we have with us an artist who has aced this balance. Please welcome for the 100th time Arman Malik.
What's up Urvin, how are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm good. I'm very excited to talk to you after so long.
हाँ भाई मतलब
बहुत टाइम हो गया अभी, बहुत इंतजार हो गया.
Once you get hitched and all the दोस्तों को भूल गए, should we blame Ashna for it?
No, not at all. ऐसा नहीं. Actually, I think we didn't get to talk at the right times.
Yeah.
I think now is the perfect time because we have a new video out and your favorite boys Amal and Arman are back together. So I think it's the perfect time to reconnect and it's been a while. तो बहुत सारी चीजें हम लोग you know we can talk about.
In fact मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि believe it or not guys ये मेरे लिए बना है. इतना इंतजार किया कि लोगों ने गाना बना दिया मेरे लिए. Let's just put it.
Done. आपके लिए ही बनाया है.
So tell us about this song तेरा मैं इंतजार.
I think my fans and Amal's fans have been intazaroing for too long for a song like this. You know, for the last 2 to 3 years, I started focusing a lot on my, you know, independent pop stuff, English music. And थोड़ा सा मतलब मेरा हिंदी music की तरफ थोड़ा सा ध्यान चला गया था because for me to balance out everything is like you said said that I balance everything out very well but it's very difficult क्योंकि मैं साउथ में भी गाता हूँ तो तेलुगु गाने भी होते हैं, कन्नड़ा गाने भी होते हैं, तमिल भी होते हैं. So doing that, doing English music and then focusing on Hindi music, it takes up a lot of time and effort. But मैंने consciously सोचा कि यार मेरे जो OG fans हैं जो बोल देना जरा, कौन तुझे, जब तक, ये सब जो गाने के fans हैं, they're waiting for something for very very long. They're waiting for something in that, you know, that zone that they loved Arman and Amal for. So Amal and I had a long chat about this and we were like, you know, let's give the public what they want.
That's lovely.
And Tera Main Intezar happened like that. We really felt like we channeled our inner Arman Malik and Amal Malik again and reignited that. And I feel like that's the result. It's come with, we've worked very hard on this song. You know, the audio took quite some time to put together because कभी-कभी हम सोच रहे थे कि यार इसमें हम drums नहीं डालते हैं, इसको सिर्फ गिटार और vocals रखते हैं, थोड़ा bare लगेगा, अच्छा लगेगा. फिर हमने सोचा यार नहीं यार second hook में ना we should put the drums because it just that whole rage of waiting comes through because of that. And then we ultimately made this soundscape which you hear today. And the video, man, it took so much effort to do that video. I was on harnesses. There was stuntmen on set as well. This is the first time I've done anything like that. I was levitating. As soon as I almost touched the girl, I'm pulled back and I'm just like, you know, falling into an abyss. So बहुत सारी ऐसे interesting चीजें थी video में भी जो हमने की. So I thought that, you know, इतना इंतजार कराया है लोगों को, we might as well do something which is, you know, they will never expect, and also something that they'll expect because sonically it's something that they've always heard me and Amal in that world. And Kunal Verma, to matlab, what do I say? He's one of those magical writers. Jo, you know, I kind of feel like, you know, a writer is defined by the antara he writes, or the composer is
Very
defined by
true.
the antara he
Very
composes.
true.
Amal, I feel, is one of the best antara composers. And even with Kunal, आपने जब मुखड़ा और हुक लिख लिया है, आप अंतरे में क्या बात करोगे आप? That is what defines you as a creative person, I feel, and I think Kunal just always nails it. There's this line in the antara. एक दिन तू नजर झुका के इन राहों को देखना, मेरे आंसू गिरे मिलेंगे हर जगह, तेरा मैं इंतजार हूँ कर रहा. So it's just beautiful. It's all feels, full goosebumps, and can't wait to take over with this song.
Writing something so simple with so much of depth is so difficult in
बहुत
and
मुश्किल है.
itself. और अभी भी ये मतलब सालों साल चलते आ रहा डिबेट है कि composition और lyrics के बीच में क्या ज़्यादा important है. It's such a beautiful amalgamation that when the right notes hit the right words is when the singer also comes out the best.
100%. I think कि I have also seen over a period of time, मैं काफी लोगों को पूछता हूँ, आप म्यूजिक सुन रहे हो या वर्ड्स को सुन रहे हो? तो अलग लोगों से अलग आंसर मिला है. Then they say I have only heard the lyrics. मेरे को lyrics पहले समझ आएंगे तो ही मेरे को गाना अच्छा लगता है. और कोई कहता है वो ट्यून सुपर हिट है, वो ट्यून अच्छी है. So I think our brains are also divided, and humans in general are divided with music and lyrics, but they go hand in hand. As a creative person, I can tell you this much, that एक amazing tune definitely important है. लेकिन words are also very very important. मैं words को इतना ध्यान नहीं देता था जितना अमल देता है, and because he himself is a writer also, and we have it running in our bloods because my dadi's real elder brother was Hasrat Jaipuri Saab. So somewhere that lyricism comes into him a lot, and he focuses कि यार words बहुत strong होने चाहिए, melody आ जाएगी, melody मेरे खून में वो आ जाएगा, ऊपर से आ जाएगा ट्यून, लेकिन वर्ड्स पे ध्यान देना important. And I never thought that it was that important until I started working very closely with Amal.
That's amazing. So you being this global star that has represented India, हाँ भाई, of course, Arman, मतलब you've taken music to a whole different level, and congratulations. I'm so glad that आपकी इस जर्नी में आपके फैंस, हम सब people who have interviewed you, people who have known you, हिस्सा हुए हैं. So your win is our win, literally.
I love that. That's how it should be. I don't think I've done any of this खुद के लिए. मैंने always ये सोचा है कि मैं जो भी करूँ, I want the Indian music scene to go forward. I want to make sure that the industry is really proud of what I'm doing. And I feel like, with every step that I'm taking, जो भी नया collaboration है, जो भी नया गाना है, I'm able to do things that Indian artists are not being able to do, have not been able to do for a very long time. And I hope that it becomes a catalyst moment for people. And I feel so good that there are lots of artists like me who are doing so amazingly as well, and who are collaborating with a lot of international artists. So it's beautiful. It's a great time for Indian music.
Definitely.
It's a great time.
So during a film song, definitely a brief is given. उस brief पर compositions, lyrics, artists music record करते हैं. लेकिन when it comes to independent music, what is the brief that goes through your mind? What was the brief for this song?
No brief. I genuinely just told Amal कि I want to go back to a time where we never thought about anything at all. हमने सोचा ही नहीं कि क्या स्टोरी है, क्या ब्रीफ है, कुछ नहीं. लेट्स जस्ट मेक अ ब्यूटीफुल सॉन्ग. वो हार्ट ब्रेक बनता है तो हार्ट ब्रेक बनने देते, लव सॉन्ग बनता है तो लव सॉन्ग बनने देते हैं. एक था कि मुझे आई वांटेड अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ अ हार्ट ब्रेक सॉन्ग, बिकॉज बहुत टाइम से आई हैव just been doing the really happy in love romantic stuff, and a lot of my fans were waiting to see that Arman is breaking down, is in the rain, in the snow, he's struggling, he's wanting his love back again. वो वाला एक zone miss कर रहे थे लोग. So I said, let's try to. So I think the brief came from the fans.
But you guys got extreme, yeah. With मैं रहूँ या ना रहूँ, you made us cry. Like it's got so much of emotional content in it.
So that is a happy sad song. Because the notes, it's got a major, we've made it in a major scale. Scale बोलते हैं पता नहीं मैं, in a major zone. अभी मैं कैसे explain करूँ major minor का difference to people. But basically major inherently sounds little happier. लेकिन lyrics sad थे मैं रहूँ या ना रहूँ के. तेरा में इंतजार में क्या है कि गाना minor में है, which automatically makes the song sad. And उसके ऊपर और sad lyrics डाले हम लोग ने. So it gets sadder. So I think that was overall we wanted to go into that really dark zone. जो मैंने कभी I've not really presented myself in that darkish vibe. It's always been Arman with the guitar, wooing the ladies and, you know, singing the love song. I wanted to break away from that. I wanted to do something different. I wanted to challenge myself. And the brief was to challenge ourselves.
Nice.
And the brief came from the fans. Like I said, you know, wo intezar kar rahe the, so we had to give them something that they wanted.
Amazing. In the world of reels and 1-minute music videos, do you guys find it challenging over a period of years to now create a different sound when it comes to your music?
No, I think in today's time we made a 4-minute song and music video. So I don't think we're following anything. It's I feel like I come with this kind of a philosophy that if a song is meant to give you all that it can offer in a minute, please make it 1 minute. But if it cannot do justice in 1 minute, please let it go wherever it needs to go. Don't stop it. Don't be like, nahi, mujhe 2 minute ke niche hi gana banana hai. As long as the song feels complete in 1 minute, it should be 1 minute. But ये गाना जैसे हम लोग ने you know बनाया है, इसे अमल ने कंपोज किया, कुणाल ने लिखा है, it needs 4 minutes to build the full story up and give you that full juice. तो इसलिए 4 मिनट लिए हम लोग ने. But अगर ये गाना obviously 1 मिनट में नहीं हो पाता, लेकिन कोई और गाना अगर 1 मिनट में मुकम्मल लगता है, we should let it be 1 minute. I don't think there's any hard and fast rule that oh, you have to do 1 minute because 1 minute is working, or you have to do 4 minutes because you want to go away from the tide. कि यार उन लोग 1 minute कर रहे हैं, आप 4 minute करेंगे, ऐसा भी नहीं है. It's what the song asks for. I think वो song आपको खुद बोल देता है कि यार बस हो गया मेरा, इधर ही मेरे को काट दो, हो गया मेरा, my time is up.
So you are someone who's so passionate about your recordings, about the sound of your voice sounding a particular way. I remember MS Dhoni के गाने के लिए you went to the airport and then you came back because you were not happy with one word.
That was मैं रहूं या ना रहूं.
That was from मैं रहूं या ना रहूं. And the word was
कुछ.
कुछ. Oh, I remember. So has there ever been a time, Arman, hand on your heart, that you've ever given a mediocre recording कि यार कर देते हैं, खत्म करते हैं?
हाँ, हुआ है. I wouldn't lie. I don't remember which song because I've sung so many songs I just lose track of कब कौन से mood में क्या गाया था मैंने. But there have been times where I feel like sometimes, you know, when you're singing a song for a composer, for a movie, some composers let you be and some composers are down to the detail. So it depends on what your mood is that day and if you're feeling frustrated कि यार मैं वापस retake अच्छा ही दे रहा हूँ लेकिन he's not liking it or you know she's not liking it. But I think मेरे साथ बहुत कम हुआ है वो because I don't like doing injustice to any song. The problem arises when, you know, sometimes we're faced with challenges where there's a team of creatives who come from, say, a Bangalore and a Hyderabad, and उन लोग आफ्टरनून में आते हैं and then उनका इवनिंग का फ्लाइट होता है and आपके साथ स्टूडियो टाइम सिर्फ 3 घंटे का होता है. तो आप आते हो, गाना सीखते हो, 3 घंटे में आपको गाना पूरा डिलीवर करना है and you have to do it to their expectations also. वो थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है and that over a period of time because I've sung so many songs in the South Indian languages, so now the words are somewhat in my mouth but it's more the emotion, the enunciation. कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है कि उनको गाँवटी तेलुगु अलग होता है, नॉर्मल तेलुगु अलग होता है, तो I have to थोड़ा सा it takes more time for me. So yeah, I think that is the main stress point for me कि यार 3 घंटे में खत्म करना है. और अगर सामने वाला बंदा is very particular about everything ना, it gets stressful. Not a lot of people in the West work under such stress while recording a song.
Is it?
Yeah, I don't think this whole playback culture that we have in India, not a lot of people know this. Like only our industry is aware of how, you know, it's not easy. हम लोगों ने गाना ना सुना है पहले, ना हम लोगों ने सीखा है. जैसे you know पुराने ज़माने में my dad used to say कि लता जी, रफ़ी साहब, किशोर दा, they used to sit to the composer, do sittings, learn the song over and over again. And एक बार वो सीख लिया आपने तो it's in your system. यहाँ पे I'm coming, no knowledge about the song, nothing. 15 minutes में I have to listen to the song, half an hour में I have to get ready to go into the mic and finish it in 2 hours. And वो भी एक अलग language. So I think in some moments I may have done like यार अभी खत्म करके निकल लेता हूँ. एक दो बार हुआ है मेरे साथ and I wouldn't lie about it. And I feel bad after. But I mean उसमें भी I still give my 80% best, if not 100%.
Seriously, Arman, I think there's just soulful music coming out of your voice and with the work that you do. So
thank you.
I don't know. it never feels like this, and which is why my doubt was that करते भी होंगे कि नहीं. But what about भाई composer है. So does that sometimes come as an obstruction when you're working with other composers?
Not at all. I mean, unless if the other composers feel like, yaar, we don't want to give Amal's brother a chance. I mean, if that is something that they have in their heads. But I feel like if really someone wants Armaan Malik's voice in something, they will want to make sure that it happens.
And what about Ghar Ki Murgi Dal Barabar?
मेरे को तो मजा आता है. I love doing songs with Amal. I think there's, I've talked about this in earlier interviews also. There's a singer called Billie Eilish who works with her brother Phineas, and they literally make all songs together. I feel Amal and I are like that. If anyone approaches me, great. If not, then me and Amal are very happy creating music together. I don't care only what other people say. I love working with my brother. I love the music that we have done. We have more than 50, 60 songs together, and most of them are, chart busters and hits. So I feel like if I can lean on my brother to make the best song for me, why not?
Has it ever happened that you wanted to sing an Amal song and he said, "No, not you, I'm going to ask someone else"?
Too many times.
What's more? How do you?
There was this one song called Chal Wahan Jaate Hain, which I think Arijit Singh sang. And there was Roke Na, again Arijit only. But Arijit's my favorite also. So I'm like, if I'm not singing, only Arijit will sing. Otherwise, no one else will sing. We have this kind of banter at home. But yeah, I think Roke Na Naina and Chal Wahan Jaate are two songs that I told Amal that I absolutely love. देखो 4 recordings देता हूँ मैं तुमको. लेकिन obviously I think as a composer for a Bollywood movie, Amal has to have that spectrum of singers that he uses for an album. It cannot just be me. But I mean, I love making songs with him, and he loves composing for me. So I think in non-film, we'd love to do, umpteen number of songs together.
I really loved the way this song Tera Main Intezar is sounding, because again it goes back to just the simplicity, which is so rare 100%. To have right now. You spoke about the antara, which is again very difficult to crack. Do you remember, when you guys sit together, what is the brainstorming like, to create? Because या तो कभी कभार मुखड़ा इतना कमाल का बनता है that the pressure comes on the antara.
Correct.
What is it that what is the most weirdest inspiration you guys have got to get to the antara?
I always lean on Amal for the antara. मैं blank out हो जाता हूँ. एक बार मुखड़ा और hook बन गया, मेरा हो गया, मेरा गाना set है अभी. Amal बोल रहा है भाई बैठ जा, अंतरा बनाना बाकी है. And then when we sit down, I'm completely blank, and Amal's like मेरे को अभी नहीं मिलने वाला है, तू घर जा, मैं सोच के बता तो देखो. Then he wakes up 4 days afterwards. मतलब he goes into his bat cave, channelizes his energies, and then suddenly he'll call me from the shower. Armaan, अंतरा मिल गया. So I'm like, क्या मतलब क्या कह रहा है तू? कौन सा अंतरा मिल गया? कौन से गाने का? मैं भूल गया. I moved on to some other songs only. He's like, इंतजार का मेरे को मिल गया अंतरा. And then he sings it out to me. I'm like, dude, sounds insane. लगा अभी तो रिकॉर्ड कर ले. I was like, ठीक है चलो, okay. And then no track is ready. I'm playing the guitar and the piano and just setting up the scratch track, and I sing the song. You won't believe it. जो मैंने scratch में गाया है वही है final recording में है, अभी भी है. So we've not changed much at all. Just 1-2 things here and there,
Amazing.
But 99% is from the scratch recording.
Yeah. So I'm gonna listen to the song 3 times. One for the lyrics, one for the composition.
You will the song has so many layers ना. वो लगता simple है सुनने में, लेकिन आप जब ज़्यादा सुनोगे ना, you will really get into the depths of it.
Okay, now very important question. Let me start by officially congratulating you.
Thank you.
Let's see the ring, please.
The ring is here.
क्या चल रहा है? कुछ बताओ यार. What's the cost like? You have to give टक्कर to Ambani. You know that.
अरे भाई मत, please. I like keeping it very sweet and simple, and that's the person I've always been.
So, is Amal getting pressurized कि एक भाई की हो रही है अब तू भी कर ले?
ऐसा नहीं है. Amal is his own person. वो अपने time से करेगा. It's about finding the right person, I think. It's not about timing. I don't think it's about age, timing and all. If you found the right person, and I have, so I'm very lucky and blessed, and actively हम लोग अमाल के लिए भी ढूंढेंगे अभी कोई.
But how are your fans, your Armanians taking this? जिन्होंने आधे लोगों ने तो मतलब दिमाग में आपको अपना husband मान लिया था.
I think initially जब उनको obviously I've dated her for almost 7 years, kept it under wraps.
What? 7 years?
Yeah. So I've kept it quite under the radar, and fans, थोड़े fans थे जो बहुत high level वाले जासूस थे, जिनको पता था that we were dating. But I mean, there was obviously when you're in the limelight and when you have a lot of like female following, there's
Yeah.
obviously some kind of like, अरे मेरे दिल के अरमान टूट गए, all that stuff happens. But I think overall, most of my fans have, you know, given such a warm embrace to Ashna and have made her a part of their lives. Now there are, they've coined a hashtag for both of us called Ashman. And there are Ashmanians now. So I don't know what's happening now. I think this overall, there's a lot of love for both of us. And I think my fans are super happy that I'm very, very happy and in love. So my Armanians have grown with me, matured with me. They've also started finding their partners. You know, their love life is also, you know, they keep telling me, I went on my first date, he sang "Tu" for me or "You" for me, gave me flowers or whatever. It's cute. I mean, I just love that we're all growing together and we are seeing each other grow as people and not just as fan and idol kind of situation.
I think you guys make a very, very adorable pair.
you so much.
And I'm really so happy. So, Aye, please, let's listen to this
Chalo,
track.
let's do it.
बेचैन क्यों मैं होने लगा हूँ तेरे लिए इस तरह है एक दिल भी जीने को काफी क्यों चाहिए दूसरा तेरी हर सांस को बता दे हक इन पे बस मेरा कर ये बात सुन रहा है वो खुदा तेरा मैं इंतजार हूँ कर रहा तुझी से फिर भी प्यार हूँ कर रहा
Just like हमारे emotions एक तरीके के नहीं होते हैं. There are so many variations, ups and downs that keep happening. Thank you, Rajiv. I feel like, you know, this is definitely the best example that our emotions could get. क्योंकि I love the arrangements. ऊपर नीचे सब कुछ हो रहा है. मजा आ गया, मजा आ
so
गया.
much.
And then
Thanks
your
a lot.
soulful voice, yeah. I'm missing Amal, I'm missing Kunal. So
Next time,
next
one more.
time we'll have to have another session. Thank you, Arman.
100%.
I wish you all the best,
Thank
as
you. Thanks so
always,
much.
to many more conversations
Thanks a lot.
and many more conversations now with Ashna.
Okay,
We
cool.
should do one with the two of you all.
Sure, I'll try to convince her.
पहले आप खुद तो convince हो जाओ.
मेरे को कोई problem नहीं है.
Thank you guys for watching us on Bollywood Hangama.
Hi everyone, this is Arman Malik and you're watching me on Bollywood Hangama.